Welcome to my channel. My name is William and I'm a licensed general building here in California. Today I will tell you how to prepare for a rough inspection electrical on a residential electrical work. So you have to bond all the ground wire. If you have a metal box, you have to screw it there. You have to bond it there. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, so the inspector will check on that one if the wire are all connected and bonded to the box. If you know, and if you have a lot of wire, I'm using that ring like that, and I will not cut this. I will leave, because I have 3 switches here, I will leave 3 wire excuse me, ground wire for the switches. But if you have a metal I'm sorry, if you have a plastic box like this, I'm using a you don't have to screw it to the box, because this is a plastic. And since I only have 3 wire here, I'm using this wire nut, green wire nut for then I need you have to leave 1 pigtail like that for the switch, like that. And so inspector will look for that thing, the ground wire are all connected. And but if they are just single, just leave it open like that, then it will be okay. And there is one more here like that. It should be I don't know if you can see it over there. It should be bonded to this metal box. Especially this old house doesn't have a ground. The only ground you can connect is this wire. They are connected to the box and to the ground over there in the main box. Yeah, it should be bonded to this metal like that. See that? Then the new Romex like that, it should be connected there. So like that. On the new one, I'm using a plastic, just a plastic and a Romex wire. So just like that. I'm using a wire nut, a green wire nut, that there is 1 hole there. Then you can pigtail 1 wire to connect ground on the switch. Okay, so and then this stable, it should be a maximum of 12 inches away from the box, and every 4 feet, and like that. Maximum 12 inches, not 12 feet, 12 inches, I mean 12 inches away from the box, just like that. See there? So even metal, even the flexible pipe, you have to clamp it like that, every maximum of 12 inches away from the box, just like that. Okay, the previous one who did it, I don't know, they did not put put it properly, so like that. So that's how you prepare rough electrical wiring before you call inspection. There is one more here. There. Okay. You know, some inspector they will let it go and just check it on drywall nailing, but some inspector they will approve it. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. Bye.